Meanwhile, the controversy over Kangana Ranaut's comments have exploded once again now, with AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi attacking Kangana Ranaut and her remark that freedom in 1947 was bheek. AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi has lashed out at Kangana Ranaut for describing India's independence in 1947 as begging for arms. Owaisi said, and I quote, "Had a Muslim said that, Kangana said UAPA would have been slapped on that particular individual. He would have been sent to jail after being shot in the knee," says Owaisi. He further asked whether any action will be taken against the actor for her remark. Earlier on Sunday, remember, veteran Marathi actor Vikram Gokhale had actually come out to support Kangana Ranaut on her claims that true freedom only came in 2014. He said that many people were just mute spectators when freedom fighters were hanged during the British Raj. He also added that these mute spectators included many senior leaders.
मोहतरमा टीवी के इंटरव्यू में कहती हैं कि देश को आजादी 2014 में मिली, 2014 में मिली। अगर वो बात मुसलमान कहता है तो यूएपीए लग जाता, उसको जेल में डालने से पहले पुलिस स्टेशन में ले जाकर उसके घुटने के बाजू हजरत पुलिस एक छोटी सी गोली मारती उसको।
Well, Kangana Ranaut continues to be defiant over her remark, calling India's independence an act of begging for arms. The actor has posted a series of screenshots on Instagram. Remember, she's banned on Twitter, asking which war for independence was fought in 1947. Kangana has declared that she would not only apologize for her remark, but return her Padma Shri award if her question was answered.
Controversial remarks and counter-jibes. Actor Kangana Ranaut remains in the spotlight over her comment on India's independence, calling it bheek mein mili azadi. The 34-year-old Bollywood star continues to maintain a defiant stance. An unapologetic Kangana took to Instagram quoting freedom fighters including Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Aurobindo Ghosh and Bipin Chandra Pal, asking which war for independence took place in 1947. She said she knew about the collective fight for freedom in 1857, but nothing about a war in 1947. Kangana declared that she would not only apologize for her remark, but return her Padma Shri award if her question was answered. She even dragged in Mahatma Gandhi and asked, why did Gandhi let Bhagat Singh die? Kangana's political critics came out all guns blazing, but she got support as well.
कितनी निंदा करे उतनी कम होगी इनकी। और आगे चल के और भी कहती है 2014 में देश स्वतंत्र हुआ, इसका मतलब आप समझ जाइए हैं। क्या अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी की सरकार भी उस भीख मांगे हुए स्वतंत्रता पे सरकार बनी?
मैं समझता हूं कंगना के शब्दों में कोई बात हो सकती है, लेकिन शायद भावनाएं यही होंगी कि हमें देश की आज़ादी तो इसको डिनाई नहीं कर सकते। 1947 में मिला और 1947 के बाद लगातार हम रहे, लेकिन जिन्होंने 60-70 वर्षों तक देश में शासन किया वो इस राष्ट्र को आगे नहीं ले जाना पाए।
कंगना रनौत का मानना है कि 1900
Taking to Twitter, Delhi Commission for Women Chief Swati Maliwal lashed out at the Bollywood actor, accusing her of bringing disrepute to India's freedom fighters. She wrote a letter to the president and said that an FIR must be filed for sedition. Bollywood composer Vishal Dadlani, clad in a t-shirt with Bhagat Singh's picture, said on Insta that it is time to remind Kangana that Bhagat Singh gave his life for our freedom, for India's independence at age 23. Kangana, known for controversial stands and outbursts, had earlier claimed that the freedom India got on August 15, 1947 was a bheek or arms, and that real independence was achieved in 2014 when Prime Minister Narendra Modi came to power. Bureau Report, India Today.